4-year-old tiger Panache. The trunk is very thick, but all on a sudden it almost died from the road, but next year it came back, everything happened, and this year, so it is his 3rd or 4th year. Basically I have lot of tiger Panache figs, so beautiful, so variegated, and this year I put under the shade, so I'm hoping they will not pop like a balloon when it rains. But very interesting, this tree is so healthy. The leaves are like very big, green and lushy, and look at the number of figs in one branches. Like I have 1 2 3 4 major branches. Everything is so colorful, so variegated, but there is one side of the branch which is non-variegated. I don't know why. It's no grafting, nothing, no cold technique, but I think because of the sun, because of the light deficiency here. That's what my suspicion is. Suspicion, but not know like what is the actual reason. But this is how it is. All the fruits, everything are variegated. Even the basically the wood is slight whitish than the other fig trees, except this side. So it's cool to see, like in one tree you have 2 different kinds of fruit set so far. Maybe they will be variegated soon. I can see some spots on the fruit. Yeah, if it is raining a little bit outside, so if it rains and the fruits are almost ready to ripe, then they will pop like a balloon, like it's crazy, and you will not be able to eat those fruit, because as soon as they pop, all those wasps, all those flies and everything, they will come inside aphids and everything, and they will make the fruit rot, and it will be non-edible, it will not be edible anymore. So that's why I kept this one inside in my small hoop house. So let's see how it goes, but it's an update around July 1st week. I'm really hoping forward, and I know this fruit is very sweet, very good to taste, so I'm looking forward to that. Thank you for watching my tiger Panache.